Welcome back, my S&M family. So today I'll be making some chicken soup. Thanks for the support, guys. Continue to share up the videos.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Zimbabwe, me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Zambim, my mama.
I'm gonna be cooking some chicken noodle soup. So here I have my 2 noodles. I have a nice dry piece of yellow yam. I have a butternut squash, just as good as pumpkin. It's very rich. Also have me some corn. Have some dasheen. I love dasheen. I don't know about anyone, but I love dasheen. Also have some Jamaican hot pepper, some carrot, and some scallion, thyme. Also I use coconut milk in my soup also. And there we go, that's my chicken bubbling. So now I'm gonna be putting in all my ingredients. Okay guys, this is my noodles. So I like to strain the noodle. So I put the noodles in here. And I'm gonna be straining it off. I don't want all this flour thing in it. So I use 2 packs of noodle. And I also have my scallion, my thyme, my pepper. They're all there. And that's my pot, my soup. Looking good. So I'm gonna be straining this off in here because, like I said, I don't like the flour in it, so I just pour some water and to strain it in it. And these are all the waste now. This is my celery. I'm gonna be washing it and putting it in the, cutting it up. You put it in along with the vegetables. I'm gonna be cutting that up. Please, I put my pepper, my celery, my onion, and a little pimento. You could also put the cloves if you have that. And I put my carrots. I also don't want those to. So these you could just leave. Oh, so all this happen when all this fall from the pot. So you just leave this to simmer down for a little while. Smell real good. The celery give it a nice flavor, and the pepper also. I mean, once it's not too hot, you really can't. So right now I'm gonna be cleaning up all these things that I have here. Go in the fridge. Simmer for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna be opening it to see. So it should be ready now, guys. I'm gonna be sharing myself a plate. Can cook on a sample. Okay, so that's all bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Looks good, looks good. Very good. So I'm going, yeah. You have the chicken, you have the corn. Goodness, it smells really good. Ooh. You notice the food is not too mashed up, it's just right. Yeah. Looks good. So guys, this is my plate of soup, and I'm gonna be tasting it. You guys can't see that. Mmm. Very good.